the SmartCross-Laser GX Plus Set from LaserLiner. Equipped with our green laser technology, the cross-line laser is especially easily visible. The GX's features include hand receiver mode and automatic alignment. The magnetic multifunction bracket with height adjustment and tripod threads provides flexible support for your work. For example, gradients can be manually aligned with a secured laser. The bracket with fine adjustment is particularly suitable for working close to the ground. SmartCross-Laser GX, your partner for horizontal and vertical alignment. SmartCross-Laser GX Plus Set.